anytime you're working with power tools and stuff like that, things are going to happen. Accidents are going to happen. So the first thing you should do is not panic, because when you panic, you freak out, right? It's not the end of the world. Even sometimes bad things happen. I've had some bad ones in the past. I've had a piece of rebar shoved in my leg. That was pretty bad. I fell off a ladder. I was knocked out, so I don't remember panicking. But first thing to do is not panic. All right, I guess I gotta go clean that out. I'll be back.
Maybe do that.
All right, let's take a look at. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Now you got to see what my bare legs look like.
Don't look good when you put that up.
Yeah, it's good stuff right there.
Ah, that's it.
But it won't pull open. It's good.
No.
Oh, I got blood on my finger now.
All
All right, let's spray some peroxide on it. Woo! Woo! Oh, you know something they say when it bubbles, then you got what does that say when dogs got? I got rabies.
Rabies.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Woo! Oh!
What you do?
Woo! Stay there, dog. I'm not dying.
Thought you were calm. Supposed to warm up, really?
Yeah, it's warming up. All right.
It's comes for like one day here at the end of the week. It's supposed to be like 60.
Yeah, 60 somethings.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we good to go.
Get rid of the rest of these.
You can't even tell I got hit. That's like the exact same color as my skin. Look at that. That's bad right there.
There you go.
That's probably going to let that blood loose in that blood clot right there. That'd be good. Now, go back to work. Believe it or not, that was my alarm clock. Because, see, my leg was telling me it was time to eat. Because it's now 12:40. So that means it's time to eat. So I got me some eggs, some cheese, and some mayonnaise. And I'm gonna make me something to eat. Grab me a soda. I'm all stitched back up. That could have been bad. Now you probably heard me squeal a little bit. That alcohol, whoo, that hand sanitizer. That's why it says smart right on the label. It's smart because it's smart when it hits your cut. But we're good. I don't bleed much anyways. I make sure I wash the wound out. And I'm gonna grab me a quick bite to eat. Send me a little video to my wife so she's not scared, because I'm sure someone already told her. And I'm gonna get back out there and finish my table. Yeah. First thing you need is something to wash it out. So this is our hand washing stuff, and I took some paper towels, and first thing I did was I washed the wound out with just plain old water, right? Then I got me a couple good pumps of the cleaner, hand cleaner, and I gently washed the wound out. Then I took a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. You seen me, I squirted it on there, right? You'll see it anyways. Squirt that on there, let it bubble. Don't worry, you don't have rabies when you see it bubble, right? And then I put a little bit of hand sanitizer on. Hand sanitizer It comes in different strengths. Sometimes it's like 30, 20, and 91% alcohol. It's going to sting when you put that on there, no doubt. Then get you a bandage that is big enough to cover the wound. That's why it says smart. It says smart there because that's going to hurt. So these are the things you're going to need to address your wound. Because you got to finish your projects. No matter what. I mean, unless you cut something off or you cut real deep and you cut something bad inside there and you got to go to the doctor. Man, I don't go to the doctor. I don't go to the doctor for nothing. I had COVID and I didn't go to the doctor. Listen, Linda. Clean the wound, because the thing you don't want is you don't want left debris up inside there. Clean that wound. Put some hydrogen peroxide topical junk on there, right? Get it bubbling up real good. And then you want to take that hydrogen peroxide off of there, put some hand sanitizer on there, or some just plain old rubbing alcohol. Rub it in there real good, because the thing you don't want is you don't want an infection getting in there. That's what you don't want. Remember, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Yeah. All right, let's get back to work.